How to receive payments from abroad in Wise. Welcome back to a new tutorial video, everyone. If you have a Wise account and you're trying to receive some payments into your account, let me show you the process that you need to follow. Now, firstly, you need to know that there are different types of currencies or accounts that you can choose from or that you may have created. In order for you to receive the payment, make sure you create a currency account that you're trying to receive the money in. Once you do that and once you create a currency type, tap on request on the top and then tap on request a payment. This way there are two scenarios. Either the other person trying to transfer the money into your Wise account has a Wise account or may not have a Wise account. In the scenario where the other person does not have a Wise account, you can easily transfer the details of your Wise account, such as the account holder name or the Swift code. In the case that the other person has the Wise account, you just need to provide your Wise tag, your email address, or your phone number so that they can enter in the information and then easily transfer the balance. Tap on the start button and then select the currency that you're trying to receive into. For example, if you select the Euro option, you're going to get the IBAN and the Swift code. And if you select the US dollar option, you're going to get your routing number, your account number, and the Swift code as well. This way you can provide these information to the sender that is trying to send the money into your Wise account. So that was a video about the way that you receive payments from abroad into Wise. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.